Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. This is a channel that will focus on everything sewing, my sewing journey, sewing tutorials, running my small business, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to ride along with me on this journey, just go ahead and click that subscribe button, like this video. And what I'm going to start doing in every video is to ask everyone to participate. So if you want to ask me a question, if you want to put a question down below, I'll answer a couple or a few questions in the next video. So you can get to know a little bit about me, or if you're thinking about sewing, if you're a beginner sewist, if you're a beginner sewist, I could probably help you out. I'm not like the professional sewist around here, but I can answer the questions, whatever you want me to answer, whether it's sewing related or personal. Now personal, I don't know how many questions I'll be able to answer, but just shoot them down below. You never know. You never know what I will be able to answer for you. So today's video will focus on Zen-like vibes, ASMR video on my sewing process. So I run my small business called Pamper & Co, and I make all kinds of hand sewn products, whether it's handbags, tote bags, cosmetic bags, or any type of outerwear during the winter, fall seasons. I usually make most of those products with thrifted materials. So today's video will focus on the heart bag that I make that's in my shop. But today's video will be all ASMR vibes. So I have everything off. Everything is off. Everything is off. AC is off and everything. So I'm doing this for you because I need that AC on all day, every day. I'm a warm-blooded girl, so I need my cold air. But I wanted to give you a feel of how my process is. And most of the time I sew with nothing on, but half of the time it's quiet. The other half I have my headphones on. I'm listening to some music or listening to somebody else's YouTube video. But today I'm going to keep it very quiet so you can get a feel for my process. So let's get started.